Want some gum? It tastes real good.
Mmm.
Keisha, move. I'm going downstairs.
Babe, come back.
Hey, stop acting like a kid, bro.
What's wrong? Come here.
I'm going downstairs.
Love gang family, it's your girl Lala Love, and I am back with another prank video, guys. It's been a while since I've done a prank video for you guys. I know you guys have been asking me to do prank videos, so here's your prank video, guys. As you can see by the title,
I will be acting Ratchet.
Whatever Ratchet means, I will be doing that today in this video on Coolie.
So make sure you guys stay tuned. If this is your first time here on my channel, make sure you guys
Smash that like button.
Make sure you subscribe. Share this video, guys. It's important that you guys share this video for entertainment and comedy reasons. And let's get right into this video, guys.
This video is strictly at the top of my head, guys. I did not rehearse this. I didn't plan this or nothing.
I just thought it'd be funny to see Coolie's reaction on myself being Ratchet. Hopefully you guys love this video.
Let's start acting Ratchet.
I think I'm gonna bring a wine bottle and like kind of just pretend that I'm drinking or something just to get his reaction. I think I'm gonna get some gum, start popping some gum and stuff. I don't know, you guys you'll see what's going on. You'll see. Before I forget, guys, I do want to mention that Coolie does know that we're gonna be vlogging, but he doesn't know that I'm pranking him, that I'm pretending to be Ratchet. So you guys are just gonna have to stay tuned for that and see how well I do this from the top of my head. And yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Okay, y'all, so Coolie just came home. I think he's coming upstairs now, so I'm gonna start right away. Coolie, you don't hear me calling you? Come say what up to Love Gang. Come say what up to Love Gang. He taking long, y'all. Hey.
What up?
What's poppin'? Ooh, 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 ooh. I was thinking about getting some food.
No, you ain't.
I didn't eat yet. No, I didn't.
Stop lying.
Who are you calling a liar?
What? Extra.
Who are you calling a liar?
Yo. Yo, I will call the police. I will call the police. I will call the police. I call the popo ho. I call the popo ho.
I got a popo. I got a popo. I got a...
I'm gonna step in your face. Yo, you don't want no beef, eh?
Yeah, eh?
Yeah, eh?
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah, eh? Ow! Don't be pulling this.
Be itching.
Wash your head.
I will fight you.
Don't learn to fight, bro.
Yeah, eh? Yeah, eh? Yeah. I'm joking, I'm sorry. I will fight you though.
I'll bust your
Just know that. Just know that. Yeah, eh?
You should move, man.
You're being extra. I'm gonna embarrass you.
So, embarrass me then. How am I being extra? How am I being extra? That look good.
Stop paying me, bro.
Say you love me. If you don't say you love me, it's gonna be a problem. You heard?
You heard?
You heard me? Did you like my hair? Is it popping? Is it popping or no?
Ugly chat, man.
Or no?
The ugly chat, bro.
Yo, I'm talking to you. You don't tell love me you love me. You're gonna start a fight. Hey, what you just call me? What did you just say?
Call me that again. Call me that again. Call me that again. You're on camera, eh? You know what? It's all good.
Keisha, you might screw it. You can't waste none of that meat on the chicken, Moni. You hear me? Yo, fam.
Yo, fam.
Yo, fam.
What?
Let me get a piece of that.
Let me get a piece of that.
Move, man.
I want some.
Who did your man? Sure.
Why are you sharing?
You're really not gonna share? You're really not gonna share? Give me some. It's okay.
I'll still eat that.
Move, man.
Why? Coolie is not trying to share, y'all. He ain't trying to share with me, y'all.
That look good. It's all good. Coolie, how many edges?
Edges on fleek, though. Jeez. Flicky, flicky. Edges on fleek.
Edges on fleek. Edges on fleek.
Edges on
What's
fleek.
happening, babe? Now we're relaxing, chillaxing.
Bae. Bae, boy, if you don't answer me.
Keep be quiet, man. You're on speaker. You in my ears? Like, move.
Is that how you talk to your girl? Yeah, yeah?
Is you thirsty? I think I'm thirsty. I'm gonna get something to drink.
Want something to drink? Quiet thirsty. You want something to drink? No? Coolie.
No, what else is, man?
Want some gum?
Stop.
Don't want no gum?
Oh, it's really hot, man. Hot.
You're getting pretty aggressive. Do you love me? You still love me? Hmm? Can I answer a question? You're gonna ignore me? Huh? Please ignore me, y'all.
She shall move, man.
Want some gum? It tastes real good.
Mmm.
She shall move. I'm going now,
Babe, come back.
Hey, stop acting like a kid, bro.
What's wrong? Come here.
I'm going downstairs.
Okay, it's
It's a prank. It's a prank.
Yo, love gang. He got so mad. Oh my gosh. It's an acting Ratchet prank. So you see how I was bothering you downstairs in the kitchen?
It was a prank. Was it a good prank?
One back downstairs.
Acting Ratchet. Love you. You think I was Ratchet?
Oh, you're just retarded.
Love you too. Make sure you guys hit that, smash that like button, y'all. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you guys share this prank video. As you can see, Coolie is annoyed. make sure you guys hit up that subscribe button, y'all. Make sure. This was super fun to do for me. As you see, this guy was annoyed the whole time.
It was fun. Let me know what you guys think about the video in the comment section below. Until next time, y'all, I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Thanks for watching, y'all.